Welcome to the WION podcast, where we explore fascinating stories and ideas from various fields. In this episode, we uncover how a groundbreaking commercial brain chip implant is reshaping the global neurotechnology race and challenging the lead of Elon Musk's Neuralink. But beyond the technological rivalry lies a more human promise, restoring independence through the power of thought. China has reportedly achieved a major milestone in brain-computer interface (BCI) technology by carrying out what authorities describe as the world's first commercial brain chip implant. The procedure was performed at Huashan Hospital in Shanghai using NEO, a brain-computer interface developed by Neuracle Medical Technology. Unlike experimental implants used in clinical trials, NEO has already received commercial approval in China, allowing eligible patients to receive the technology in hospitals. The development has drawn global attention because it comes before Elon Musk's Neuralink receives full commercial approval in the United States. NEO is designed to help people with severe paralysis regain some control over movement. The coin-sized implant is placed on the surface of the brain, rather than inside brain tissue. When a patient thinks about moving their hand, the device detects those brain signals and sends them to a computer. The software then translates the signals into commands that control a robotic glove, helping patients perform everyday tasks that would otherwise be impossible. Doctors said the patient, who suffered a spinal cord injury in a car accident around 10 years ago, remained stable after surgery. Tests also showed the implant was successfully capturing high-quality brain signals. Although both NEO and Neuralink aim to restore independence for people with paralysis, the two technologies take different approaches. Neuralink uses extremely thin, flexible threads that are inserted directly into brain tissue using a specially designed surgical robot. Its first product, telepathy, allows users to control computers and smartphones using only their thoughts. NEO, however, sits on the surface of the brain, avoiding penetration into brain tissue. This makes the procedure less invasive while still allowing the system to capture the electrical signals needed to operate assistive devices. Neuralink has implanted its devices in several patients, but all procedures remain part of clinical trials approved by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration (NEO), by contrast, received approval from China's National Medical Products Administration earlier this year as what Chinese authorities describe as the world's first commercially approved implantable brain-computer interface classified as a Class 3 medical device. The breakthrough signals that the global race in brain-computer interfaces is entering a new phase. For years, companies have focused on proving that BCIs can safely translate thoughts into digital commands. The next challenge is making those technologies available to patients outside research programs. If NEO continues to deliver positive clinical outcomes, it could accelerate the adoption of brain-computer interfaces for treating paralysis and other neurological conditions. At the same time, competition is expected to intensify as companies, including Neuralink, Synchron, Precision Neuroscience, and others, work to bring their own brain chip technologies to market. While commercial approval marks an important milestone, experts note that long-term safety, durability, and patient outcomes will ultimately determine how widely brain-computer interfaces are adopted in healthcare. Thanks for tuning into this incredible story. If this episode resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more captivating stories to come. Stay tuned.